Hello students, today we shall learn a new poem that is Brother and Sister. The lesson number 17. Okay, so brother and sister. In this poem we see the conversation between the brother and the sister. The conversation between the brother and sister. So in this poem, we can see that the brother said to his sister, the brother is coming and saying to his sister, to go and take your weary head. But the brother is telling to her sister, dear sister, you please go and take rest, and because you are so tired. But what the sister is replying to him? The sister said in reply, and whether he wanted to battered head, he wanted to hide your scratches face from me. Where did you go and go to these scratches? And you wanted to hide from your scratches face from me. That is what you are telling me, to go to bed. The brother said in anger, not to raise his wrath. So what his brother told her? Brother told his sister that don't make me so angry. The brother asked the cook, so he went to the kitchen and asking the cook to give me a frying pan to cook an Irish stew. So what the brother did, brother went all of a sudden, he was in anger, he told the cook to give the frying pan, he wanted to make an Irish stew. The cook said no, the frying pan, as he knew that the brother is going to make a stew of her sister. The brother knew, the cook knew that what he was going to do with the pan. He knew that he wanted to make a stew out of his sister. So it's a very interesting poem. We will go through the poem once again and understand it by line ways. Okay. So before that we read the word power. Page number 97. Weary, meaning of weary. W-E-A-R-Y. Weary is tired. Wrath. W-R-A-T-H. Wrath is anger. Broth. B-R-O-T-H. Broth is soup. And battered hide. Injured skin. So the sister is telling him, don't hide the battered hide. Injured skin. So, stew, S-T-E-W, stew means a dish of meat and vegetable. A dish of meat and vegetables that we call it a stew. And indigently, what's the meaning of indigently? Meaning is angrily. Okay? Wherefore, meaning of wherefore is why. Okay? So we will go to the poem. On page number 96. Brother and sister. Sister, go to bed. Go and rest your weary head. Thus the prudent brother said. So what the brother is telling to his sister? Sister, my dear sister, please go to bed. I feel you look so tired. Weary, W-E-A-R-Y. Weary means tired. Your weary head needs to. Looks so tired. You need rest. You look so tired. So brother is very prudent. Prudent means very clever. So sister, go to bed. Go and rest your weary head. Thus the prudent brother said. So the clever brother told to his sister, please go to the bed, you look so tired. Do you want a battered hide or scratches to your face applied? Thus his sister calm replied. We told that battered hide, the meaning of battered hide is injured skin. Scratches means a mark. So sister asked to her brother that, do you want to hide the injured skin or the scratches on your face? That is why you are telling me to go and hide, to go and sleep. Sister, do not raise my wrath. But the brother told her, You don't make me so angry. Wrath means anger. Do not raise. I don't allow me to get into angry. I had made you, I would make you into mutton broth. Otherwise, I will make you into mutton broth. B-R-O-T-H. Broth means soup. I will make you. If you make me angry, I will cut into pieces and make you mutton soup. Okay. Uneasily as killed a moth. Okay. Very easily I could cut into pieces to make you into mutton soup. Okay. Mutton soup. The sister raised her beaming eye. Okay, and looked on him indigently and sternly answered, only try. So sister raised her head. She just looked at her sternly, angry, and beamingly raised eyes. Just beamingly raised your eyes and looked at her brother and looked on him indigently, angrily, and sternly, very sternly answered him. But she answered, you just try. Let me see what you can do. You tried. You told me that you are going to make me soup and bring it. Let us go on. Let me see what you are going to do. Sternly give the reply in angry. Dear cook, please lend a frying pan. So the brother ran to the kitchen. The cook was cooking there busy, making food. He asked him, give me the frying pan. Please lend me the frying pan. To be quick as you can. Please, hurriedly. You please hurry up and give me the frying pan. And wherefore means why should I lend you? Why do I lend you the frying pan? What is the need of it? You are a small child and you don't know how to cook. So why are you asking me the pan now? The reason cook is plain to view. I wish to make an Irish stew. Irish stew means S-T-E-W. Stew means a dish of meat and vegetable. I want to make an Irish stew. Who replied? Brother replied to the cook. I want to make an Irish stew. I want meat. What meat is that stew to go? My sister will be the content. So the cook was really tensed and worried, or neither surprised, you can say that. The cook surprised and asked the boy, the brother, where is the meat and the vegetables? What are you going to do with this pan? Where is the content? Content means the product. Where is the meat or vegetable? How did you get that? My sister will be the content. My sister is the meat. Oh, you will lend the pan to me, cook. Please, you fast lend me the pan. I wanted to cook her, but what the cook told, no, I will not give you, because you are going to cut into pieces your sister and make you to cook, make you the stew. I will not give you the pan. So that's all the poem. It's a very simple poem, very interesting poem. If you read, you can just, it's a very funny poem, I think. So, the full content is what? The full content, brother and sister, the poem says that the conversation between in this poem we see mainly the conversation between the brother and sister. So, how they fight with each other, isn't it? You also have the brothers and sisters, no? How you also sometimes do such a thing, no? In an angry mood, you say something or the other, okay? So, you can also say when you read out, how you behave with your brothers and sisters at home. So, the main thing that the brother is very prudent, though he is very little, he is very prudent. He says, he might have gone outside and had a fall, or maybe might have met with something happened on his face and some scratches were there. He wanted to hide that from her sister. So he says to her sister, please go to bed. You are very tired. So sister is cleverer than the brother. She says that don't hide the battered hide, the injuries on your skin. Okay, I have seen it. And then the brother got really angry. in wrath he told that you don't to say anything to me, I will make you the stew. So he suddenly go to the kitchen and ask the cook to give the pan where we make the soup, no, in the pan. So he wanted to get the pan and then make. So that time the cook asking, where is the vegetable and the meat to make the soup? He told that my sister is my mate. I will cut into her piece and I will make you the soup. So you please give me the pan. So at the end, the last line, the cook is telling, no, I will not give you the pan. If your sister is the product, if the sister is the product of the soup, I will not be giving you the pan. That's all, the poem. Okay, so what you have to do now? You have to write the 8 lines of the poem in your copy very neatly and learn the poem and also the word power. Okay, there are a few word power which is given here also. You will be writing down it in your copy and learn it. Rest of the exercise I will give you in the next class. Okay, thank you students for listening.